Are you struggling to understand the difference between ConfigMaps and secrets in Kubernetes? Why does Kubernetes need both? And how do you actually use them in real workloads? In this video, I'll break it down step by step and show you hands-on demo so you can start using them confidently in your own cluster. Let's start with ConfigMaps. ConfigMaps store non-sensitive configuration data like environment variables or application settings. They help you keep your app flexible without rebuilding containers. Secrets are used for sensitive information like API keys and database passwords. Unlike ConfigMaps, Kubernetes treats secrets as confidential, but keep in mind they're base64 encoded, not encrypted by default. Now we'll deploy a pod that pulls configuration data from the config map and sensitive credentials from the secret. We'll inject these as environment variables inside the container. Once the pod is running, let's exec into it and check the environment variables. Now you know how to use config maps and secrets to manage configuration in Kubernetes. If you want to learn how to encrypt secrets for production, check out my video on SOPS in Kubernetes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials every week.